Hey, what's going on, guys? Please make sure you ding that like button and subscribe. Many good things coming out the channel. In this tutorial, I will go over briefly 8 topics in regards to keeping your employees employed and happy at your workplace. What management and supervisors don't know or don't understand is that an unhappy worker can and will slow down production. Now, just imagine if you have 5 unhappy workers, even 10. Upper management may think, well, you can always be replaced, but how long the new recruits are going to put up with the morale of the workplace, especially after your coworkers get into their ear. So let's go over the 8 courses that will help you retain your employees. As a manager, your challenge is to identify what factors will cause each person to stay, and then to build these factors into each person's work situation. When you know the factors that will influence each person's decision to stay and perform, you have an advantage. You could work with your team to ensure the right things are in place and therefore create a work situation that will cause every team member to enjoy their jobs and want to stay. As a leader in a company, one of the most important things you must do is create the right environment that will cause your employees to make the decisions to engage in their work and stay with the organization. Only when employees are truly engaged and want to stay in their jobs, only then you will see results be delivered and high levels of performance achieved. By completing this course, you will know what is required to create a work situation that will cause each employee to stay. Our individual talents play an important role at work. They influence the type of work we accomplish and the levels of performance we deliver. More often than not, our talents are what we love to do and create the greatest level of personal satisfaction. When companies provide the opportunity to focus on our talents, we become engaged, satisfied, and strong contributing members of the team. This course will help you clearly know each team's member's talent and how they are used in the person's job. With this information in hand, any manager can quickly see where adjustments need to be made and ensure everyone has the opportunity to do the things he or she does best. When it comes to work, many of us would experience an increase in work satisfaction if we are given the freedom to choose what we do, how we do it, when we do it, and who we work with. While perhaps there may be some limitations to the level of freedom we can have in each area, some freedom or work autonomy will most likely benefit us all. While different people desire different levels of autonomy, and certainly different jobs has various constraints, as a manager, you can work with your employees to ensure the right balance of autonomy is in place. When you meet both the individual and team needs for autonomy, you pave the way for higher levels in dedication and performance. Perhaps one of the toughest challenges for any manager is to deal with the issue of compensation. As we all know, compensation is a very personal issue, and while there are many issues impacting a person's decision to engage, perform, and stay, therefore it's important to know if each of your employees' salary is within market range and is appropriate for the person's experience, skills, and education. When an employee's compensation is appropriate for the role and level of expertise, the individual is better able to focus on his or her work and perform at a higher level. While there are a number of factors impacting work satisfaction, having a balance between one's work and personal life is certainly one of them. When employees believe they can work hard and make a positive contribution to the company and meet their personal and family needs, an overall level of satisfaction is created. Statistics show a company with a better balance between work and their personal life are in order, you will see the increase in their work's performance. By completing this course, you will get to know who needs help getting a better balance between work and their personal life. As a manager, your attention is usually focused on doing the right thing to create a work environment that will cause your employees to engage, perform, and stay. However, the organization needs you to stay too. In this course, you as a manager or supervisor will select 3 particular work elements that are really important to you. These 3 work elements should be the things you must have at work to create a job that will cause you to want to stay and be your best. So what are they? Many thanks for taking some time out to check out my tutorial. Please feel free to check out the others I have on here as well. Please like, subscribe, and comment below as to what course you would like to get certified in, and I will send you a link to check out. Many thanks to Ben Sound and his royalty-free music and beats. I will leave his link in the description as well for you to check out his free download and purchases. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.